Hey there. Are you looking for a cherry bomb trade? Good, because I got one for you. Today, we're going to look at Tesla, which has a nice liquidity rank of 3 drops out of 4. See, I try to make my thumbnail actually functional. So, it's going to be liquid, but we're going to be in a weekly. So, we might have a little less open interest, a little less liquidity in this. And the IV rank of 26, I know is not impressive. It's not what you would normally think of for the great opportunity or great time to be selling premium. But the at the money IV here for these weeklies is 72%, which is great. And this trade idea comes from Tastytrade, as these cherry bombs always do. And so we'll talk a little bit later about how you can get these cherry bomb trades as well. So let's hop into Thinkorswim. If you want to take a look at how to be bullish on Tesla, hop in with us. Hi, my name is Neil, and now I'm in the bottom corner, and this is Option Theory. I want to thank you so much for joining us. And on screen here, you can see the portfolio that we've put together so far, following mostly cherry bomb trades. On Mondays, I like to do either my trade ideas, or if you want to send me an underlying you think we should trade or add to our portfolio, or just want to see, hey, what does this guy come up with compared to what I came up with for this underlying, please feel free to leave me a comment in any of my videos. I am a small channel, and that's okay. I will keep going. I'm not trying to hang with the big dogs. I just like doing this. This is fun for me, and I hope it's good for you. I hope it benefits you as well, too. So, stick around to the end, and we'll tell you... Oh, by the way, another reason to stick around to the end today. There's a great Tastytrade video that I want to talk about that came out yesterday, where right at the end of the video, I'll tell you the timestamp at the end. You want to head to this video. I'll put the link in the description to the video. Yeah, about that at the end. All right, here we go. So what we're going to do is take a quick look at Tesla. Here's Tesla, and we already have a position on in Tesla. We had a long call vertical. I should probably try to go back and find when I put that on. But I want to say it was probably right about here-ish. Knowing me, right, it would be the kind of thing where it's been going down. I would be want to be contrarian, and then it probably just kept on dropping like a rock, right? Almost 2 standard deviations according to the email that we received this morning. And now it's been bouncing back. Okay, so if you look at the MACD, it's just crossed below, and so it's looking like that's a bullish signal. The Bollinger Bands, it's right at the middle. We're kind of in the middle with the RSI, so hey, if that's... Oh, by the way, where am I pulling that from? Nope, here. Let me zoom in here. Okay, this is the crossover I was talking about here that gives you a bullish sign. This here is neutral, this here is neutral. So, But the nice part about selling premium is neutral works, right? Even though it's a bullish position, that's fine. If it goes up, great. If it stays the same, great. If it goes down a little bit, great. Just don't go down too much, Tesla, like you did before. All right, so we could hopefully recover some of the losses that we're getting on this long call spread with maybe selling a short put vertical. So what do you say? Let's do that. Head over to the Analyze tab, go to Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be in the April 30th weeklies with 45 days to expiration. And, now that I watched that great Tastytrade video, I know a little bit more about management. So, like I said, stay to the end. We'll talk about that. So what we're looking at doing here is selling the 620 put and buying the 615, $5 lower for our protection to the downside. That's a $5 wide strike spread, and notice here that when we build it, we have one contract. Your contract sizing should match what you feel comfortable with. I'm cool with risking a $5 wide spread, collecting our 1/3 the width right here. That's fantastic. Okay, one consideration you might have is that if you look at the bid ask here, it's gone down since we got the email from Tastytrade. So you might want to take your strikes to the 615 short and the 610 long. That might play out a little better now that it's a little bit of a down move. Because if I look at the futures action overnight, we've got some mixed action here. Oil's down 1.5%, gold's up a smidge. S&P's basically unchanged, but down a little bit. Nasdaq's up. Maybe that'll bring Tesla with it, or Tesla will bring NASDAQ up. Who knows? The Dow is down 0.1%. Russell's down 0.45. So a little bit of a mixed bag of tricks over here. Mixed bag of nuts. Whatever was the right expression on that one. All right. So let's go ahead. And now that we've got this trade built, let's go ahead and take a look at the probabilities for this trade. So like a cooking show, I've already got this built. So here we've got May 1st, the expiration, plugged into the top right calendar. That date comes from the expiration date you see here in the bottom left here, the risk graph in turquoise. I've set the price slice to break even at expiration. That's right here where this turquoise line crosses the 0 horizontal x-axis. And we're looking at a 62.86% probability of ending up on or to the right of that. I like to call that probability of profit. That's slightly off from what Tastyworks is giving us right now, which is, I believe, a 65. 65% probability of profit, or POP, and they're saying a 70% P50. So 70% of probability of us taking off, let's call it $85 from this trade, right? So that'd be great. Be able to take that off in hopefully the next 24 days, right? Why do I say 24 days? That's coming up. All right. I'm going to go ahead and right-click this trade. I'm going to take a look at their, because we always know what we can lose or what we can make. We can, of course, make the $167. Should Tesla run up to the upside for us, we can even make that if it goes, and why am I saying this? If it goes down all the way to here, but at expiration, we'd still make that full $167. Stays the same, goes down a little bit, goes up. That's great. You got to love short premium, right? So I think I did a video on this one as well, with which is, are options riskier than stocks, etc. Because everybody will tell you if you're getting into options. Not everybody. I don't want to make absolute statements, but I think a lot of people will, if you tell them that you're learning to do this, they're going to tell you that it's risky. Oh man, right? Well, it doesn't have to be risky. All right, I'm getting into my sales pitch there. But you could lose $333 should Tesla decide to breach our strikes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit send. That's going to put that into my working orders. And I want to talk a little bit, those of you that have already subscribed to my channel, this is oftentimes maybe where you dip. If you haven't dipped already, left the video. But I did make a couple of promises. I want to talk about how you get involved with this so you can learn or take your skills and hone them with us. This is hopefully an interactive channel where you can do what we do. So the first thing you want to do, step number 1, down in the description, you're going to find a link for the Cherry Bomb email list. It's changed because Tastytrade went and changed their sign-up page. I don't think it's a MailChimp anymore. But anyway, I've got a new link down there. I went back to the month of March to change the links in the descriptions. Since I have over 250 videos, sorry gang, I'm not going back and changing all of those links. That would take forever. So anyway, sign up for the Tastytrade email Cherry Bomb list, because you'll get 5 emails a week, and 4 of those have trade ideas, and that's what we put on here, right? That way we can just kind of take them, look at them, see if we like them, modify them, analyze alternatives. That's what we do here. So you have an opportunity to be consistent, to build your workflow, if you would, right? Okay, so the next thing you want to do is hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. And I know everybody on YouTube says that, but hey, these have time value. You want to get in these trades. You don't want to miss them, right? I do schedule these videos to come out when the market opens. Ding, 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 ding. That's when the video should come out. So you have something to give a try if you want to. Of course, these trades are all just educational, right? Now, I did say Tastytrade also came out with a great video. I think it's called Countdown to 21 Days. And if you watch that video, please make sure you stay to the end of that one. Not for any sort of algorithm action, right? But go to the 7 minute and 20 seconds. It's like the last 10 seconds of the video. Mr. Thomas Osnoff himself, I think, explains beautifully why what we do here is extremely important. Yes, eventually you want to get to trading real money. But if this is, why would you skip the opportunity to use a simulator that really closely mimics the real deal, right? It's that way you can prove to yourself. And then when you do dive in with your real hard-earned money, hey, you know what to expect. All right, thank you so much for sitting through this. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you gained something from it. Do check out that Tastytrade video. And yeah, until I see you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb trade, everyone, hey, happy trading. Good luck.